Hello everyone and welcome to this course. My name is Pavan Lalwani. I'll be your instructor for this MicroStrategy Desktop 2020 version. I've been working into this industry from last 10 years, work with different various clients and various companies across the world. And this is one tool which I keep on training to my clients. So this video, I'll be just introducing you about MicroStrategy Desktop 2020 version. And I'll tell you about some features and some examples what we'll be covering in this course. So entire training would be 99.99% practical. Just only this presentation we have, so I can just introduce you about MicroStrategy Desktop. Let us see what exactly is that. So here, what is MicroStrategy Desktop? So your data is spread across all the different data sources like Excel, SQL, Oracle, big data or website. So if you want to pull that data and if you want to analyze that data, create some charts, visuals or dashboards, you can use MicroStrategy. So here you can see you can access, visualize and analyze your data for free. So this tool you don't have to pay anything, it's completely free of cost. And the best part is you don't have to add any license keys or no trial version. So this tool, if you download, it will be free for lifetime. What will you get? If you use this tool, what are the different features you'll be getting? You'll be getting powerful data discovery. You get data from different data sources which is not clean. MicroStrategy will clean the data for you. You'll be getting amazing visuals which you can create here, amazing charts and visuals, that is nothing but compelling data visualizations. You'll be also working with insightful dossiers. So dossiers are a collection of charts or dashboards. You can say collection of all these charts and dashboard in one package is known as dossiers. So that options also you'll be getting. We'll see that practically. What can MicroStrategy do for you? Let us see. There are many features. I have just collected some important features to show you this on screen. You can bring data from 100 plus data sources. 100 plus, from structured data sources to unstructured data sources. Structures you have like SQL, Oracle, Excel, but unstructured, that means you have some APIs, some websites or JSON file, any other unstructured data sources like Twitter, LinkedIn, many data sources you have. So 100 plus data sources you can pull data from. After bringing data, not necessary you get a clean data. MicroStrategy will clean the data for you in just button clicks. No using any code, no writing any formulas or functions. Just using button clicks, you can clean the data. You can build very interactive dashboards quickly. Just drag and drop, no expertise required. You don't have to be a master in this tool, but you can simply drag and drop and create beautiful dashboards in MicroStrategy. You can work with some advanced analytics parts like forecasting, predicting some future things you can take with this MicroStrategy. You can connect with R and Python. These tools are there which will boost up the analytics part in MicroStrategy. And also this tool can be accessed on different devices. You can use on mobile phones, on tablets, on laptop or desktop, any different devices you can use it. Okay. Now coming to the point, MicroStrategy is very vast. Definitely I cannot cover all the topics, but I've tried my best to cover in MicroStrategy Desktop few options, and those are noted down here. There are some upcoming courses in future based on advanced on some other tools of MicroStrategy, but let us see what topics would be covered in this course. We'll see how to get data from Excel and CSV file. We'll see how to work on creating some basic visuals or basic charts. Then we'll work on sort, filter, group, drill and many more small miscellaneous topics. Then coming to this, once you are aware about the basics, we'll see how to create some advanced visuals, advanced charts. Then we require some formatting on the visuals or on the pages also. That topic we'll see. This formatting visuals and pages is cosmetic part, alignment, coloring, font and formatting. So therefore I have kept it on the last part. So first one will look on the functionalities of the MicroStrategy. So by the end of the course, you will come to know like all the features and functionalities of this MicroStrategy desktop application. Later on, lastly, when you're expert in all these small basic applications, basic features, then we'll create some interactive dashboards. Okay. So these are the topics I'll be covering in this, this course here, and you can also assume it's a life cycle of this course, starting from getting data from CSV Excel, cleaning that, and bringing back to the creating dashboard. So all these topics will be covered into this course here. Okay, so let's start. Let's get our hands dirty.